Yeah. Cue the music. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? How are y'all doing, man? As y'all see in today's title of today's video, it is Friday, man. It is Friday the 10th, and honestly, I'm already mentally and physically defeated, okay? The Travis Scott ones are set to release tomorrow, and pretty much, alright, the only chance I have of actually completing my pair of sneakers, completing the purchase, actually getting my hands on a pair, is Nike Sneakers app. Now we all know, if your only chance, okay, is through Nike Sneakers app, especially when it comes down to a shoe that just about everybody is going for, just take the L now, okay? Now there is a small chance, and I mean like, maybe like this small, that I can actually get through and hit for a pair, bro, but I just can't see it. I'm gonna be honest, all right? I know I say dream big, but I mean, not that big, all right? All right, so if you have been under a rock, or you're not even under a rock, but you gotta be like under the ground that the rock is on top of, like you gotta be way down under. Travis Scott one dropped the ball, man. I'm pretty sure if you're in the sneaker community that we love so much, you've seen these all on your Instagram. I've made 2 videos about it, and everybody else has made 50 videos about it. Listen, it's everywhere. That's kind of how it is when an upcoming release is happening, man. Everybody's informing everybody, trying to give everybody their best shot and best interest on how to hit. Recently I did a how to cop video, man, and it was kind of one of the most weirdest how to cop videos I think I've ever done, because it was just so audio control, man. Like, it's really audio control. Unless you live in big cities like New York, LA, or Chicago, it's only so much you can do. So like, we do have stores here in Atlanta that's doing raffles and things like that, like Wish ATL, and other stores like, what was it, I believe I'm on my year. Yeah, I'm on my year as well. But at the end of the day, you gotta be realistic to the point where if they're doing raffles, then they're finessing, and I'm not, you know, snitching, but it is what it is, all right? It is what it is. And that's just like the reality of it. Now, this video is not to sit here, complain, and cry, but it is just to sit back and talk to my people who took L's as well. I know I'm not the only person, and here it is. Like I said, the shoe hasn't even released yet, but I am, okay? Look, zoom in. Sniper Jones, I'm declaring the L before the shoe even come out. I'm not gonna get my hopes up, okay? Now listen, shout out to my boy Will, okay? Sneaks on Demand, good dude, Chicago guy. You know, I met him through Unbreakable Kicks, man. We had a good time, little 5 points. It was me, it was a lot of people. Forgive me if I forget your name. Unbreakable. It was T Ward, Shumanati, Flight Academy, of course. My boy Big Holla, Sneaks on Demand. We was downtown, man. You know what I'm saying? Little 5 points. We had an amazing time down there. We went sneaker shopping, looked at some different boutiques, different thrift stores, and we linked up. And he hit me as of like Monday and said, bro, I'm going to Chicago. And he told me, you know, that the store in Chicago, the Foot Action, was gonna have lots of pairs and I should go with him. And I was like, okay, cool. And I booked my ticket. So I was supposed to be in Chicago this weekend. My ticket was booked, and I forgot that it was Mother's Day weekend. I was so blinded by the fact of these Jordan 1s, I just kind of slipped and forgot it was Mother's Day weekend, so I immediately had to call and cancel my tickets because I did have plans to spend with Mom Dukes. Shout out to Mom Dukes, it was Mother's Day. So after that, man, I immediately hit up Will and I was like, yo, bro, I'm sorry, I will not be able to make it because it's Mother's Day weekend. I have some stuff planned, you know what I'm saying? And ever since then, everything went downhill, all right? Now, I'm hearing a lot of things about Chicago. It's a lot of pairs out there, man. It's a lot of different ways to get your hands on them. And I was gonna be one of them guys, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna be one of them guys in the groove, in the mix down there, getting my hands on something, but at the end of the day, man, I had to understand, like, honestly, I like these a lot, right? I think they're a dope shoe. I like the Jordan 1. I would like to have this in my collection, but I had to start thinking a little bit deeper. How much do I really like this shoe? Like, do I like this shoe enough to get on a plane, go to Chicago, wait in line and get it? that is where like I'm like, not really, you know what I'm saying? Now, on the flip, you know, I'm not one of them dudes who, you know how you ask for a girl number and she says no, and then you automatically say you're ugly anyway. Like, why did you even ask? So it's clear that I like this shoe because I want to make a few videos about it, and I want to be making this video. So I'm not going to say the shoe is not good because I'm not going to win it. All I'm saying is I don't like it to the point where I want to, you know, hop on a plane and go through the grind for this sneaker, because even though I like it, it is dope. It's just, it ain't that dope. But I would like to have it, you know what I'm saying? So, my last shot, all right, Jordan 14. Last shot. You probably don't get it. Anyway, my last shot look like it's gonna be on sneakers, man. I know a lot of people in my position right now, guys, and I wish you the best of luck, man. It's like Hunger Games out here, all right? Resellers gonna be everywhere, okay? I mean, everywhere. It's gonna be dudes trying to get in line on Sneakers app while they in line in Chicago and in LA. It's just a sneaker, man. I'm hearing that the retail price is going to settle down in the depths from like 6 to 7. I've heard 5 to 6. They're still going for about 8 to 9 right now on sneakers, depending on sizing. But one thing that, you know, should help a lot of people out if you're not in my current situation, there is a lot more pairs than expected. At least that's what I was told. Now, it is approximately Friday, like, what time is it? I don't even have my phone. It's only like 5 o'clock. And the drawing from Chicago hasn't even released yet. And I did put in my ticket for Chicago because, well, you know, the Chicago Foot Action had the actual Travis Scott's, and I put in my bid for them joints, but I'm not gonna be there now. So I'm like 99% of everybody else who not gonna be there. I actually hope I don't win at this point, because even if I did, it kind of make it worse. But honestly, man, from the early reviews of the shoe, it looks dope, man. The material looks well, and regardless, man, if I hit the shoe or not, I will definitely have that shoe back to review for you guys. That's without a doubt, so don't worry about that. It was just the fact of like, do I really want it? And to be honest, man, as y'all can see, man, I've been selling a lot of sneakers on my collection. Shout out to people who've been buying. I don't even know if I would have kept that shoe or flipped that shoe. It's a lot of Jordan 1s in my collection I don't wear. I just recently sold the Homage to Home Jordan 1, you know what I'm saying? And that was a pair I thought was kind of dope. I sold another Jordan 1, what was it, the Shadow. I had 2 pair of those. So I've been selling a lot. When I've worn these Travis Scott's, they was going for 800. Like, I would have traded it for like an off-white or something like that. Honestly, like an off-white Presto or like an off-white Baby Max or something like that. Like, I definitely would have did that in a heartbeat. Even though these are fire, you know, there's other shoes, like I said, I don't like them like that now. They can be gone. So it's like so I really had no intentions on what I wanted to do with this shoe, man. And I had no intentions on what I want to do with this video. This video, okay, is for guys like me who out here and defenseless, man. We have no opportunity, man, to grab these shoes, man. It's tough, man. Here in Atlanta, I did do the ticket, the raffle for Wish ATL, and I got nothing back. You know, some people say they got emails saying they didn't win. I ain't even get that, all right? I ain't get nothing, so that was tough. And on top of that, I seen recently Sneakers app also did like an early reserve pair on sneakers, but those are only for Chicago and New York locations. Times like this, all right, makes me regret recording in front of the camera when I could have been paying attention to J23 and I could have possibly got him on Travis Scott's birthday, because I was right here doing this exact same thing when they did that shock drop that I missed. The second time, I was over here on my freaking computer on live with you guys, man. So I was always working, which I'm proud of, but I done missed out at least twice on these. Remember, guys, the first time was like Grammy night, and then the second time was his birthday. So it's been a few times where people were actually lucky enough to get these for retail. Now, the question everybody wants to know, the question everybody's asking me in my DM, Sniper, will you pay retail? Nah, all right, I'm not paying that. Who, me? Hey, listen, man, y'all know, look, if I pay more than retail for a shoe, okay, it has to be like a little bit over. If it's like those numbers where you telling me a shoe is 175 and I gotta pay 600, it ain't gonna happen, okay? I'm just not a firm believer of it. You know what I'm saying? Even if I believe, like, if you want to sell it for that, there's nothing wrong with that, bro. Like, I encourage you. If I had a shoe right now I didn't like, and it was $180 and I can get 700, I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, I'm not gonna pay it. You know, I'm definitely not going to pay it. It's just not gonna happen. So I will not be buying these for resale. This is kind of like, if I miss, I miss, and if I hit, I hit. And the title of the video tells you I'm confessing my L right now. L, okay, the fat L for me, but I really hope you guys, especially guys that want these more than me, man, I hope y'all come away with these, man. I hope you do your due diligence. I hope my how to cop helped somebody, because it didn't help me this time around. With all that said, man, it's still a lot of heat dropping this month in May, man, so stay on your P's and Q's. But that is it for this video, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you was actually lucky enough to get a pair of these sneakers, or are you in the same position as me. Don't forget to like this video as well, man. I try to get this video as far as we possibly can. And until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.